Hi, I'm Poppy. I'm the founder of Poppy's Chocolate. We have been melting hearts since 2005 and I'm so proud of this business and the team that we have that make amazing chocolates for you. What's so special about us? Well, we take the finest, best ingredients we can and we combine them to make insanely delicious taste experiences that will send your 10,000 taste buds jumping for joy. Our over 15,000 plus 5-star reviews will tell you, if you go and have a look at them, that people say they are worth it and they're coming back for more and they're blown away. So we've shipped over 100,000 orders Australia-wide and we ship everything express courier with thermal packaging so that your chocolates get to you not melted and not broken. Why don't you check us out, try it and see what bliss it brings in your life, or send a special gift to somebody. I'm Poppy. Thank you so much for your custom over the last 20 plus years. I super appreciate it and we love you.